In the tip laboratory, we're back and we try to give our knowledge away and hope that you take something out of it. Well, this week I want to talk about how to get symmetrical shapes if you want to make them from scratch. Like if you want to do the front spoiler or something from scratch, how you really get that thing 100% symmetrically. Let me say, you have here a piece of paper and you try to get like, here, maybe you want to have it like this. And so now, as you see, it's never like a 100% symmetrically. How can you do that? Well, I'll show you a little trick to do that right. So what you're gonna do is you fold that thing in the middle, and now you just paint or draw the half of the thing on it. Let me say that is the half of the car width. So you go maybe this and have a little bump out here. So all that you're gonna do is now take your scissors, cut that out, and guess what? What you have now is a 100% identical shape. And this is the tip of this week.